Whether you're looking for a fit for your kitchen, office, dorm, or another space, the variety of toaster ovens on the market can get confusing. Some toaster ovens have a few simple cook settings, while others have upwards of a dozen adjustable presets. Additionally, a toaster oven's size, accessories, and cleaning procedures can affect how helpful it is in your daily life. Navigating this world between 4-slice toasters and full-on convection ovens, we've tested 33 toaster ovens to determine the best for any space and use. Whether you like cooking perfectly crisp bacon, baking chocolate chip cookies, or even slow cooking pork shoulder, you'll want to read our reviews below on the 5 toaster ovens that can do it all best. There you go. Those are my top 5 picks for the best toaster ovens, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best toaster ovens from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to check the prices and other details, be sure to look in the description box. So, let's go to over top 5 product reviews. First up, we have the Breville Smart Oven Pro. Breville makes some of our favorite air fryer toaster ovens and even indoor pizza ovens, so we're not surprised that it stands at the top of our list of toaster ovens. The Smart Oven Pro packs multiple functions, including convection and slow cooking, into a compact, sleek design that's easy to navigate. The Smart Oven Pro has all the bells and whistles it needs to push the limits of a toaster oven and justify its hefty price, but it's also uncomplicated to operate. Beginners and experienced home cooks will enjoy the smart cooking functions that include preset cooking times and heat intensity based on your selected preferences, like the number of slices, darkness level, temperature, and rack position. It even remembers your latest settings to help you get consistent results by pressing fewer buttons the next time you use it. Everything we cooked in the Breville, which included bread, bagels, frozen pizza, and more, was cooked or reheated just as well as in a full-size oven. And in addition to the new slow cooking feature, we loved that this updated model of the original Breville Smart Oven has an interior light for enhanced visibility. Next on our list is the Black+Decker Toaster Oven. Black+Decker has been in the toaster oven game for a while, long enough that they featured their Toaster Oven model in Food and Wine magazine's first toaster oven roundup in June 1989. Today, the brand's newest 4-slice convection model maintains its spot on our list for its straightforward yet capable design. This toaster oven is the least expensive we've tested and one of the most consistently high performers. It has a simple analog control panel with 4 settings: toast, bake, broil, and warm. Each setting performed well in multiple rounds of testing. We were especially impressed by its broiler, which maintained heat within 5 degrees of the highest temperature setting. It also perfectly toasted for slices of bread and baked a crispy personal pan pizza in its compact frame, making it an affordable purchase for small households. Coming in at number 3 is the Breville Mini Smart Oven. Toaster ovens are already more compact than traditional ovens, but Breville proves these machines can be even smaller. The Breville Mini Smart Oven occupies minimal counter space to fit an 11-inch pizza and offer 8 cook settings, including broil, roast, cookies, and more. Plus, the mixed format of dials and a digital screen felt familiar enough in testing that we didn't need to read the manual after the initial setup. This toaster oven impressed us with its even heating. Whether we baked cookies and pizza or toasted bread and English muffins, foods had even browning and were heated well to the center. The presets felt intuitive to navigate, and we appreciate the "a bit more" button, which adds 30 seconds of cooking time. If you're a first-time buyer or a home cook looking for a toaster oven that fits a tightly organized kitchen, the Breville Mini Smart Oven is our pick. At number 4, we have the Instant Omni Plus Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Instant Omni Plus is our best large toaster oven because of its generous size, various settings, and excellent cooking results. The Instant functions as much more than a toaster oven. It's also a food dehydrator for several tasks like preservation and making spice blends. This air fryer toaster oven has a rotisserie spit, forks, and a lift tool to cook rotisserie style at home, and it can even fit a whole chicken. The enamel baking tray is perfect for crisping bacon and baking cookies. The perforated air fry basket increases air circulation for foods like fries and wings, and all the accessories including the stainless steel oven rack are dishwasher safe. Whether we made chicken, sweet potato fries, cauliflower, or pizza, the Instant Omni yielded evenly brown exteriors and pleasant textures, making it a solid purchase for anyone with a counter space. Last, number 5, Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro. The Breville did a lot, and it did it well. It offered all the functionality of a standard oven and replaced a toaster, air fryer, proofer, slow cooker, and dehydrator all in one handy machine. It had one of the largest capacities of the lineup and could fit up to a 13-inch pizza or a 14-pound turkey. Its super convection mode helped get food extra crispy and cut down on cooking times. I also appreciated that it had buttons to remind me to rotate food while it was cooking, create favorite modes, and add a bit more time at the end of a session instead of starting over with a new timer. The Breville Plus app was full of useful guides, like a step-by-step for cleaning the oven, and could be used to create custom cooking sequences with access to app-exclusive modes like bottom broil. It had a wide variety of recipes from well-established sources, including the Breville Test Kitchen, Knit Cooking, and even some from Serious Eats. Although I didn't know about those until I started testing, and they weren't a contributing factor to my ranking of the oven overall. The recipes were thoughtfully designed with helpful videos and simplified screens for individual steps. I loved the app's autopilot feature, which automatically shifted the oven from one stage to the next according to the recipe. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.